Welcome to John Lewis Memory School. So in this presentation we are going to learn how to remember a three-digit number. For example 803. You are driving a car to your office and your manager calls you and tells you, okay, after reaching the office you call me to my new extension number 803. Now you are driving your car maybe 100 miles per hour. You cannot stop and take down the number and you cannot write it down somewhere. How can you remember this number until you reach your office, until you call him in this number? So, how we can keep it in our mind? So, this is what we are going to learn in this presentation. See, already we have learned three different systems to convert a meaningless number into memorable pictures. See, we have already learned many times our brain can remember pictures very well. Therefore, we need to convert the meaningless numbers into meaningful picture. So let us quickly recap all the three systems what we have learned. How numbers are converted into memorable pictures based on relevance, based on shape, and based on rhyming words. So if you take number one relevance is king because only one king can rule a country, and a bamboo stick looks like number one by shape, and one bun is rhyming word. For number two, the relevant system is pair of birds because two birds. Duck looks like number two. And then for rhyming word, so two is shoe. The number three, three monkeys. So this is relevance. No, three monkeys represent what? Speak no evil, hear no evil, and see no evil. And a mountain looks like number three that we have already seen. And number three is rhyming with tree. The number four, so the relevant system is baseball player because it has four sides and four corners, and a sailboat has the number four in it, and a four is rhyming with door. Then for number five, Abraham Lincoln because Abraham Lincoln's picture is there in $5 five US dollar bill. So therefore we can take Abraham Lincoln picture for number five, and a hook looks like number five, and hive is rhyming with five. Then six, a golf player. Why? Because the golf club looks like six. Therefore, we can take a golf player for number six, and hockey stick looks like number six. Therefore, we can take the stick itself to represent shape system for number six, and six is rhyming with mix. Then seven, one of the seven wonders is Taj Mahal, in which Queen Mumtaz is buried. Therefore, we can take Queen Mumtaz as a relevant picture for seven, and flag and pole looks like number seven, and heaven is in rhyming with number seven. Eight, relevance is octopus because octopus is having eight legs, and sand clock looks like number eight, or some people call it as hourglass, that also looks like number eight. So shape system, and weight is rhyming with eight. Then nine, relevance is angel. So number nine represents peace. For me, at least, the picture for peace is angel. But you can have your own picture or your own system. But make sure for all relevance, it is a living thing. And then for nine, the shape system is hand fan. A hand fan looks like number nine. And wine is rhyming with number nine. Then zero, gymnast, because gymnast uses the ring which has zero. Therefore, I have taken for zero a gymnast, and football looks like a zero, and arrow is rhyming with zero. So these are the three different systems we have learnt. So if you want to remember a three-digit number, for example 803, how you can remember? So I already told you, you are driving a car, your boss told you to call him in this new number 803 on reaching the office. How can you remember this now? So the first number should be always converted into a picture based on relevance. So that means it's all living thing. And then the second number should be converted based on shape. And the last number should be converted based on rhyming word system. Therefore 8 represents what? Based on relevance, it is octopus. So 8 represents octopus. And 0 should be based on shape system. So what shape system represents 0? Football. And 3 is the last number, therefore rhyming word we have to take. So what is a picture for number 3? Tree. Therefore, we need to remember only octopus, football, and tree, and we have to make an association of these three words. So, how you can associate these three in the same order? An octopus is kicking a football which flying and falling on a tree. Can you visualize it as a picture? So now when you are driving your car itself, what you can imagine? An octopus is kicking a football which flies and falling on a tree. Can you visualize it or not? Okay, very simple it is. See, an octopus kicking a football which is falling on a tree. Just imagine that. So on reaching your office, just you can think of this. Know what picture I visualized while driving the car. So you will be getting maybe an octopus running very fast in front of your car and kicking a football. Okay, all these things will come back to your mind. Hope it's very clear. So let us take one practical example here. The best condition for the manufacture of ammonia. Suppose you are a chemistry student or science student, you will be learning manufacture of ammonia. So at one particular temperature and pressure, the yield of ammonia is maximum. So that value is given. So the temperature is 723 Kelvin and pressure is 200 atmosphere. See, for temperature, you can always remember a thermometer. Okay, so how you can remember the temperature value? So in the manufacture of ammonia. So 723, this is a 3-digit number. Now, how you can convert into picture? The first number should be converted into picture based on what? Based on relevance. So what is a picture for number 7 based on relevance? Is Queen Mumtaz. The number 2 should be a picture based on shape. What is a picture for 2 based on shape? Duck. And the last number is 3, that should be based on rhyming word. 3, tree. Therefore, Mumtaz, duck and tree. Sorry, Mumtaz, duck and tree. How you can visualize this as a picture? By connecting it. Mumtaz is chasing a duck. Mumtaz is chasing a duck. But what it did? It climbed on a tall tree. It climbed on a tall tree. Now, how will you know? So this is the condition, this is the temperature to manufacture ammonia. How you can remember this? So what you can think of? So Queen Mumtaz is running away from ammonia manufacturing factory. Ammonia manufacturing factory chasing a duck. So which is climbing on a tall tree. Can you visualize from a factory, ammonia gas factory, who is running out? Mumtaz chasing what? A duck which is climbing on a tall tree. So now everything becomes fun and you can visualize everything. At any moment when you think of this, when you think of ammonia factory and who is running out? Queen Mumtaz. What she was chasing? A duck. What the duck did? It climbed on a tall tree. So you can get the temperature 723. Then what is the maximum pressure required to manufacture ammonia? So 200. So it is a round off number, no 200. No technique is required to remember such numbers. Simply we can remember 200 atmospheric pressure. Even still, if you want to convert into picture, you can do that. So what is a 2 picture? Pair of birds. So what is the first 0 represent? That is the middle 0 represents football. What is the last 0 represents arrow. So how you can think, how you can combine or how you can associate these three things together. A pair of bird is filling a football with ammonia gas because it's ammonia factory, no? So the pair of birds is filling a football with ammonia gas and piercing it with an arrow because 0 arrow. So rhyming word. And tears it open, tears the football open with an arrow. So just you can imagine that in the same sequence. A pair of bird is filling a football with ammonia gas and piercing it with a sharp arrow. So now you can get it. So in football, so what is the pressure inside the football? It is measuring. You can understand, okay, this is the maximum pressure required to manufacture ammonia. Got it? So it may appear very tedious initially, but once you get used to the system, everything happens spontaneously. Your eye will be looking at the number, your mouth will be reading the number, and your mind will be visualizing the picture, combining all the three. All the things will happen simultaneously at the same moment. We will reach a stage by practicing that. So that is the secret of this system. Hope you liked it. You enjoyed learning this way. If you like it, please click the thumbs up, share it with your friends. Without fail, subscribe to my channel Thank you very much for watching. Until we meet next time with another topic, maybe another very interesting topic like this. Bye bye.